Good morning, everybody. How are you? Happy Sunday. We're starting off a new week and we're at Walgreens, super bright and early. Not as early as I would like, but still early nonetheless. This is starting the week of 11/14 through the 20th. Let's jump into these deals. Tresemme this week is 2 for $10. We have a 5 off of 2 digital. That will make that $5 out of pocket. Once you pay the $5, whether it's points or a roller registry reward, you'll get back a $5 store coupon. Okay, when I scanned the product to my phone, I didn't see the digital. I don't know if I didn't clip it or if they took it, but we do have a $5 off of a 2 insert coupon available from last weekend's save. We can use with that. Shea Moisture products are still buy one, get one 50% off. And we have this 5 off of 2 insert coupon available. I don't know if you have the digital because I know I did not clip it, but I'm gonna pick up 2 of the African black soaps. I'm stocking up for my son. Also a part of that spend 10, get a $5 registry reward back is the Dove deodorant. They're $6. We have a 2 off of 2 digital you can use for that. That'll make that $10. You can use points to pay or a registry reward from a previous deal. If you don't have either of those, you'll pay cash out of pocket. You'll get back a $6 registry reward. We do have $1.50 rebates on Ibotta for that, which means when we buy 2 of them, we'll get $3 back. And there's a max value of, you can redeem that 5 times. The men's Dove is also a part of that deal. We have $3 off of 1 insert coupons available, which means you can use 2 of these. That'll be $6 off. It'll be $6 out of pocket for the 2. After the 2 $3 off of 1 coupons, we'll get a $5 registry reward back for purchasing 2. There is no rebate. There are fetch rewards, 2,000 points that we can get back also. So make sure you submit your receipt to fetch. The Axe is also included, and that 2 off of 2 digital, it applies for the Dove women's, men's, or the Axe. For the Axe deodorant and the spray, there are dollar rebates on fetch rewards if you purchase that. The degree is included in that spend 10, get the $5 registry reward also. There are no Ibotta rebates for that, but that 2 off of 2 coupon applies to that also. The Dove body wash, $7 this week. When you buy 2 of them, that'll be $14. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. After that 3 off of 2 digital, you'll pay $11 out of pocket. And for spending $10 on that Dove body wash, you get a $5 registry reward. Colgate with the Optic White, the $3.99 Colgate, we have a 5 off of 3 digital and a $2 off of 1. Only 1 digital is gonna come off. So I'm gonna pick up 4 of the Colgate at $3.99. I'm gonna use that $5 off of 3 digital, and I'm going to use a $2 off of 1 coupon. That'll take off $7. I'll be left to pay $8.96 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get $8 in cash rewards for doing the deal twice. Now, unlike the registry reward deals where we can do only 1 deal per transaction, the cash rewards deals, we can do multiples and get back the $4 increments no matter how many times we do the deal. Now, for the Colgate, that's $2.99. There's a $2 digital that attaches. That's the only digital that attaches, which means if you have the $2 insert coupon, you can use that. So we'll pick up 2 of them for $5.98. We'll use the $2 digital and 1 $2 insert coupon, which will take off $4. We'll be left to pay $1.98 out of pocket, and we're gonna get back a $2 cash reward. Now, the Crest also has a promotion, and it's 2 different promotions, so make sure you be careful when you're picking that. But we're gonna focus on the $3 Crest. The toothpaste and the mouthwash is also included in this deal. When you pick up 2 of them, that'll be $6. You'll get a $3 registry reward. All I have available is the $5 off of 3 digital and a $6 off of 4 digital. If you still have your 3 off of 2 digital, you'll pay $3 out of pocket. Use points or registry rewards to pay your total down or cash. You'll get a $3 registry reward back. Since I don't have the 3 off of 2 digital anymore, I'm gonna pass on this deal. Don't forget the Palmolive is on a month-long deal. It's on sale for $2.49. The ones that are $2.99. And when you buy two, you get a $2 cash reward. We have 25 cents off coupons in today's inserts that we can use with that. So you want to use two of those to do this deal. The $1 ones, unfortunately, is for the 32 ounce. This week we have a Tide promotion. Buy 4 participating products at $5.25 and get a $6 registry reward. The Charmin is included. We have a $1 digital for that. And that is the 4 equals 16 mega rolls. The 6 equal 8 roll Bounty Essentials is included. We have a $1 digital for that. We walk over to the 2 equals 5 count Bounty for $5.25. The $1 digital applies to that also. And then we have the 37 ounce Tide detergent and the 12 count or 16 count Tide pods. Unfortunately, there are no digital coupons for that. Check pgeveryday.com or brandsaver.com. It's going to take you to the same site to see if there are any printable coupons, if you can print coupons and your store takes them. If not, there are coupons in November P&G. We have $2 off of one for the Tide and the Tide pods. Now, these are the 4 items I'm going to pick up. Remember, there's a $1 digital for the Bounty Essentials. Your total for all 4 items is $21. I'm going to have 2, 4, 6 plus the $1 digital for the Bounties. That's $7 in coupons and digital coupons. After that $7, I'll pay $14 out of pocket using registry rewards or cash rewards or cash. After that $14 when you pay, because when you buy 4 particular items at $5.25, you're going to get a $6 registry reward back, making net cost $8 for all of these products, which comes out to be about $2 each. The Big Soli razors are still on sale for $5.99. That's a month-long deal. When you buy 2, you get $2 in cash rewards. If you still have your $5 digital, you'll pay 99 cents for one if you don't want to do that deal. This week, soft soap is buy one, get one 50% off. When we buy 4, we get a $4 registry reward. If you go to softsoap.com, you can print off 1 coupon per device. It's only letting you get 1 coupon. But if we pick up 4 of the ones that are $1.99, that'll be $5.97. Subtract that 75 cents digital we have on the app, we'll pay $5.22 and get back a $4 registry reward. Okay, here is the results of today's shopping haul. I didn't do any spin deals today. I'll do them later on in the week. I just wanted to go in and do the individual deals and see how they worked. Because we all know how Walgreens can be on any given day, 50-50, good or bad. Today was a great day with 1 hiccup. But I did get the 4 soft soap. As you can see right here, the 75 cents digital came off. My subtotal is $5.21. I used $5 in cash rewards, paid 70 cents after tax, and I got back my $4 registry reward for purchasing 4 of the soft soap hand washes. Then we have our Tresemme right here, and that is, they're 2 for $10. When you spend $10, you get a $5 in-store coupon. I got the $5 in-store coupon. I added a caramel to my purchase so I can make sure I used a certain amount of points. And there's everything. I used a $5 insert coupon because I did not clip the $5 digital, I'm guessing, and it just wouldn't come up. I checked on a account where I know I clipped it and it still didn't come up, so I still used the insert coupon. I used a $4 registry reward to help lower my out-of-pocket. My subtotal was $139, $225 after tax. I used $2 in cash rewards and paid 25 cents. Now, the $5 off of 2 insert coupon attaches to 1 item and that registry reward attached to the second item. That's how I was able to do that deal using 2 particular coupons. Even though that coupon said 5 off of 2 and is supposed to attach to 2 items, it just attaches to 1, which allows your second item free so that your second registry reward, which is considered a coupon, attaches to the second item. Now for my Dove deal, I chose to do the women's Dove. I have plenty of men's deodorant, even though that 3 off of 1 insert coupon will allow a smaller out of pocket and I can use points to purchase, but I wanted the rebate from Ibotta. That'll give me $3 back, and plus it counts towards 2 rebates because I get that any receipt back. But it's also in a spend 10. I got a $5 in-store coupon for that. The 2 deodorant were $12. The $2 digital, 2 off of 2 digital came off. My subtotal was $10, $10.99 after tax. I used $10 in cash rewards and paid 99 cents. Got back the $5 in-store coupon, $3.10 off of Ibotta. And my Fetch Rewards, I had to submit a correction because when I scanned it in, this particular scent scanned in as travel size. So I had to submit a correction, and hopefully I'll get my 2,000 points for that. And if that's so, that is $3 I got back from Ibotta, $2 on Fetch Rewards, and a $5 in-store coupon. Free after coupons, rebates, and rewards back. Now for my Dove purchase, I exchanged it for the body wash because I just prefer the bar soap. It lasts a little bit longer. They are $7 each, the same as the bar soap. And here's my receipt, $14 for both. The 3 off of 2 digital came off. My subtotal was $11, $12.16 after tax. I used $10 cash rewards and paid $2.16 and got back my $5 in-store coupon. Make sure you scan your receipt to Fetch to get whatever points back you're gonna get for that. For this purchase for the Colgate and the Big Soleil I put together, here's the receipt for that. You see all of the items. My 5 off of 2 or 3 digital for the Colgate came off. That's the $5 for the Bic. I really want to take advantage of that. That's a 99-cent razor. Can't beat that. That is my $2 manufacturing coupon for the Colgate. My subtotal was $9.95, $11.75 after tax. I used $10 cash reward, and I paid $1.75 or 76 after tax. I did get back $8 cash reward for purchasing the 4 Colgate. For every 2, you get $4 cash rewards back, and that's the $3.99 Colgate. I didn't get anything back for that razor, but a great price. I was hoping we had a big rebate for this, but we don't, just on Walmart. For my Colgate Max, I don't know what happened to that receipt for that one, but I used a $2 digital for that and a $2 manufacturing coupon. I paid $1.97 before tax, and as you can see right here, I got back $2 cash reward for that. I used cash rewards to pay for that. So it's just like I was rolling my $2 in cash rewards, and I got $2 in cash rewards back. And for my Tide and my Bounty, I don't have the receipt. I think they kept it, but it did not print the register reward. I want to say stick with the regular scent of the Tide. I don't know why it doesn't want to print out when you purchase the other scents, but stick with the regular scent, or maybe wait until Tuesday to try to do this deal, Monday or Tuesday. Give it some time to get into that system. My $1 digital came off along with my P&G coupons. As you can see right here, they had to issue me $6 in cash rewards because my $6 registry reward didn't print. And that was the only hiccup I had with all of my purchases today. Everything went great. Now I am gonna go back maybe tomorrow and do my spend 20 and pair that with the paper booster that I have. I have a spend 40, get a $9 cash reward paper booster I want to use. Hopefully it hasn't expired. But thanks so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, peace.